Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying your sources and grabbing credentials. This saves time later. Connectors matter because streaming versus direct query changes latency and query cost. Once you have endpoints, keys, and workspace ID, enable a streaming dataset in the Power BI service or install and configure the on-premises data gateway. Make sure to pick the right authentication method, otherwise queries will fail. This first step gets your live pathway open, so subsequent steps push and visualize data reliably. Now you design the dataset schema and choose the ingestion mode. This is where performance is determined. Define field types and a timestamp so visuals can render in time order. Once done, create a push or streaming dataset in Power BI and map incoming payload fields to dataset columns. If using direct query, make sure queries are optimized at the source. Send a few sample events to confirm field mapping and types. Testing here prevents type mismatches and missing data on dashboards. Finish by creating visuals and pinning them to a dashboard. Choose real-time tiles for streaming or live visuals for direct query. Make sure refresh intervals and caching settings match your latency needs. Publish to the intended workspace and set alerts or thresholds to notify you when values cross limits. If things go wrong, first check authentication and gateway health, then validate incoming JSON against your schema and watch for API throttling. These final checks ensure the dashboard stays current and dependable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.